Thanksgiving is around the corner, and we are here today at Ensign College to ask our students, what's your favorite Thanksgiving tradition? Let's hear what they have to say. What's your favorite Thanksgiving tradition?
Definitely sleeping after the food.
I just love playing turkey bowls with my family in the morning.
I love eating pumpkin pies. This is awesome.
Making pies as a family.
Just spending time with my family.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is eating pumpkin pie.
Eating too much turkey where you pass out at the end of the day until the next day, until Black Friday. So that's what it's all about.
Watching football with the family.
It's gotta be deviled eggs, bro.
Just saying what I'm grateful for.
Eating turkey and ham is probably the favorite one.
Making French toast casserole with my family.
I love going and seeing Christmas lights with my family.
Not doing homework.
Eating food with my family.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is playing football and eating pumpkin pie.
Just eating a lot.
Like eating so much food and everything is different, and I guess also the atmosphere.
Oh, the food. I just love it.
Eating turkey.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving tradition?
Playing board game with my family.
Eating turkey.
Eating pumpkin pie.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is eating Peruvian food.
Spending time with my family.
To gather around and give thanks.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition would have to be able to get with my family.
Eating turkey.
Pie. I love all the pies, especially pumpkin pie.
Turkey.
I'll say spend time with my family. Yeah.
Is eating pizza and also playing some video games with my friends.
I enjoy having dinner with my family.
To meeting with my friends, the family friends that I have here in Utah.
Like reuniting my family, spending time with them.
Spending time with my friends and family.
I'll say eating turkey. Writing things I'm thankful for.
Whether it's pumpkin pie, family, or football, Thanksgiving is all about traditions. Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite Thanksgiving tradition is. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and to learn more about Ensign College, click the link down below. See you next time.